To invest in Expedia stock, start by understanding what Expedia is and the role it plays in the travel industry. Expedia is a leading online travel agency that provides a wide range of travel services, including booking flights, hotels, and car rentals. The first step to investing in Expedia stock is to open a brokerage account. This can be done through a reputable online brokerage firm such as Fidelity, Charles Schwab, or Robinhood. Once you have opened your account, you will need to fund it with money to invest in the stock market. Next, you will need to research Expedia stock to determine if it is a good investment for you. This can be done by looking at the company's financial statements, reading news articles about the company, and analyzing the company's competitors. You can also use online stock screeners to help you find and evaluate different stocks. After researching Expedia stock, you can place an order to buy the stock through your brokerage account. You can choose to buy a specific number of shares or invest a certain amount of money in the stock. It is also important to set a budget and stick to it to avoid overinvesting in the stock. When investing in Expedia stock, it is also important to consider the risks involved. The stock market can be volatile, and the value of your investment may fluctuate over time. It is essential to have a long-term perspective and not put all your eggs in one basket. Diversifying your portfolio by investing in different types of stocks and assets can help minimize risk. In addition to understanding the risks, it is also crucial to keep track of your investment and monitor the performance of Expedia stock over time. You can do this by regularly checking your brokerage account and reading news articles about the company. You can also set up a system to automatically reinvest your dividends and keep your portfolio balanced. Finally, it is essential to stay informed and up to date on the latest developments in the travel industry and the stock market. This can be done by following reputable sources of financial news and staying informed about changes in the market and the economy. By following these steps and staying informed, you can make an informed decision about investing in Expedia stock and achieve your long-term financial goals.